It's getting towards that time, isn't it? And these Mini 3 leaks are coming in thick and fast. We've seen the product box being leaked. We've seen the drone in somebody's hand. Everyone's getting excited over this drone, but a big consideration and a topic is the price. And I've done a video about why you might not need this drone, and maybe a bigger drone might be better for you. So go and check that out if you haven't seen that already. But today we're going to be discussing two important topics. One is a leak about the release date, and the second is some insane leaked prices. So every man and his dog is looking forward to this drone being released, and for good reason. It's going to have a new f1.7 sensor on the front of it here. It's going to be better for low light. It's also going to be small, 249 grams still, which is crucial. It's also going to have front, bottom and backwards sensors, so you're going to have obstacle avoidance sensors. So that is brilliant in a lot of ways. And this drone, it's competing really only with two other drones itself for $449 or $599. Or the Autel Nano Plus for $949 and $1,099. And just remember those figures in your head now, because let's just discuss the leaked prices that have just been released for the DJI Mini 3. These are the prices, what the Mini 3 is going to be. It seems to be in a few different variations of it: a Mini 3, a Fly More combo, an RC, and then a Pro version. Let's look at the prices. So I'll just move this to the left now. So I'll convert it into dollars. So it's starting at $518 for the Mini 3. That seems just going to be the standard drone. Then we're going to have a Fly More combo. It's going to be around about $785. This normally comes with extra batteries and ND filters, some extra propellers, charger cables, on the go charger. And then if you want the RC with the Mini 3, $1,099. And we've not even got started on this Pro model yet. So it seems to have two different variations of this, a Mini 3 and a Mini 3 Pro. But we don't know what this Pro is going to have. But let's just remember, $1,099, that's the exact same price as the Autel Nano Plus Premium Pack. Coincidence? Well, of course not. So that begs the question, what does the Pro model bring over the standard Mini 3? And simply at the moment we just don't know. From looking at the camera on this, it seems to be the same 1.7 lens, so 1-inch sensors. I don't think that's going to happen. $675 is what that's going to start at, is what this rumor is saying. And then you're going to have a Fly More combo, right about $940, probably $950. But then a whopping $1,250 for the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the RC, so the shiny controller with the screen built in. $1,256. And this is for a small drone, 249 grams. It's going to be brilliant in every single way. It's going to be fantastic. But it's still that small drone. That's what my last video was about. They still have big limitations, namely in the wind. So that's a lot of money for a small drone, isn't it? Now, if this Pro model came with, say, a 1-inch sensor, but if we just zoom in, this is the box that was leaked. We zoom straight into that. That's the same 1.7 lens and sensor array that we've seen on this leaked video of this Mini 3 Pro as well. And that's certainly not a 1-inch sensor. So it makes this DJI Mini 2, and if you already have one, it is a big step up, over double the cost. Is it going to be better for you in every way to spend that amount of money? And this is actually now going to cost the same price as the DJI Air 2S Fly More combo, and you're not far away from the Mavic 3. So it's the same question I asked before. Why do you need a Mini 3? Is it going to be your all-in-one? Do you need it for the flight restrictions? DJI are knowing that everybody wants this small drone. Autel knew this, is why their price was, extravagant pricing, caused outrage. But it seems pretty cheap now, doesn't it, in comparison? The leaked release dates also has been shown here, with some training going on between the 20th and 26th. So a launch of the 27th or 28th for pre-orders, and to be available the week after on May 5th is looking increasingly correct. So in the UK we have car boot sales here on a Sunday where you can sell everything in the house. It's probably quite a good time to go out doing that. Let me know in the comments down below if this pricing is alright and acceptable to you, or is it just a complete non-starter and you would rather go and pick up one of the bigger drones, or just keep your Mini 2. It's certainly going to be fantastic and I cannot wait to fly this. But the pricing, it's going to have to live up to that price tag. Take care, see you on the next one.